I think this is what you want to do. So I've got a SpinList control here, and it's using static test data from the SpinList control sample stuff. But at the end of the day, what you're dealing with is a display value and a stored value in here. So the data series should be the same because it's just feeding the SpinList control two pieces of data, display and stored value. So what we've got here is we choose a value, or we choose a selection from the SpinList control, and we know that Bermuda has a country value of 24, but we also want to get the text value going into another text box as well. So what I wanted to do, so here's the SpinList control, this the display and the stored value that we're pushing out. Again, this should work with the same for data series. Let me know if it doesn't. If I look at the static data, I mean, this is what we've got. Country name and a country number, so that's what you should be working with for a data series anyway, so it should be the same thing. But in the onSelect JavaScript event, what we do is we go out and we get the full array for the spin list. So my spin list is called spin1, as you can see here. Dialog.object.underbar spin list data is that's something that Alpha uses to place the array of objects from that control into this variable that belongs to the dialog object. So now we've got an array of objects, and in that array of objects there are two IDs. One's called HTML and the other one's called value. So what we're doing here is we're iterating through the array. I didn't really want to do that. I was trying to use index of, but I couldn't quite get it to work. I'll have another look at that, but that would be a nicer way to do it. So if we've got a value of 5, for example, we would use an index of to get into the to the array itself and return the HTML, which would be much faster, I think. But this is pretty quick anyway. At any rate, we have the array, we grab its length, and then we just iterate through for each one. And we're looking for the array, and I starts at 0. We're looking for a value equal to this dot value, and this dot value is being returned by the SpinList control. So we know that this dot value is the actual stored value of the selection that we've made. So if the spin array dot value is equal to the value that we've selected, then we set our spin text equal to spin array and the number of the array, the key number of the array that we were at, dot HTML, which is the other ID that we're dealing with. And then we just break. We're finished with that. Then we do a couple of set values. This dot value goes into the stored text field, and spin text, which we've got here from our array, goes into the spin display. So I hope that helps a bit. Thanks for watching.